viewers, and welcome again to another edition of your program called Talk to the Camera with me, Kona Sesay. Viewers, the camera can walk out in the streets of Freetown for talk to people about the culture of Salone. What in them knows in the culture of Salone and how they don't they portray and so far in the different tribes them where they belong. And also what in them understands in the beauty where Salone gets, we go attract tourists them for cancer Salone. What's that a message we then send to the Ministry of Tourism about continuing for beautify Sierra Leone so that tourists them will continue for the Kamna Salone. We will go to the people and get your views. Hello sir and welcome to this interview. Do you know for tell me your name?
Mohamed Yambasu.
Mr. Yambasu, as a Sierra Leonean, what do you know say na Salone culture?
Well, the Salone culture is very because the problem there between culture and tradition. Well, Salone culture, like a Salone would struggle for identify our culture then. Like a first time, know them are meeting for wear print, then cabas slots, that thing and the. Like now that thing they don't missing, we know they see that thing again. Now more of Western business of the see. Skin size, body fit, and that thing and they now they see. Yeah.
You feel say the culture and tradition of Salone are thing way combined together and something way now one?
Yes, culture and tradition they intertwine. Now one thing. But like I said no more initially, it's difficult for differentiate them. Like as you asked me before we do the interview, the first term and now, what's in the difference? In the reality, say now, culture, we're not even able to identify our culture self because we don't go far from our culture.
Plenty people can normally talk say now the beauty where Salone get now can make tourists them can want for come na Salone. Which beauty this way can attract tourists them for come Salone? Where people can normally talk about?
Well, the people who are wonderful people them. Apart from that, again, we get natural landscape them, like we mountain them. Some people and we can see something in a Salone, like the Mount Sugarloaf. Some man they will not want to see that kind of mountain in life. We see they admire, they make life feel for come back. They will get all the kind of beaches that you can think of in the world. The Silver Beach, Golden Beach, you get all that kind of beach and they. So, I don't think they can drag people in for car, but like we in Sierra Leone, we don't know the thing them because they don't make like we government or we people that really control the resources there. They don't make people understand anything and the beauty or the value of that thing and to the people them.
But then you feel say that thing that also where you talk about way make Salone beautiful. So the people of Sierra Leone they handle her with care.
Like I say, the people that don't know the value, so definitely they not go handle her with care. If you go now beaches, you will meet the dirty, the litter with dirty thing. If we know the value them, I believe so for the handle them fine because we talk about the Caribbean country them. One of the main state down in one of the side down there where they get resources for develop the country there. Tourism.
So finally, what will be your word to the Ministry of Tourism by way where you feel say nine and supposed for do for see that they improve on the beauty where Salone get?
Anyway, like this present Minister of Tourism, I follow him. He do a great deal, but he get for do more. One, the cultural education. People forget them from schools, beginning for being aware of the Salone culture, for able to identify this as Salone culture. I think the Ministry of Culture, Ministry of Information, now for try for do that. Yeah.
Right, thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you too.
Good afternoon, sir, and welcome to this interview. You go please tell me your name, sir.
My name is Masari.
Masari, you go tell me what thing you understand about Salone culture.
But we don't understand for Salone culture, not the hard thing. Because formerly me na establishment from Army, soldier 1961. So the culture way will be made, and now you look different. Far away. You know yourself. So, I mean, it look difficult now, the culture.
You know, what thing exactly you mean by it look different? What in difference than the culture where you be born meet and presently?
Well, formerly, where I born, till I joined British soldier, the culture it be look all right, and now.
People will they practice them.
Well, now it looks hard.
You know, Sierra Leoneans them get different tribes and beliefs. You know, your own tribe, okay? You go tell me how una they portray culture na your own tribe where you belong to.
Well, we local people there. In fact, we picking, we got picking. We know they encourage them. Now you compound, we not married, right? We know the toilets.
You know, got a person compound. You mean?
No. So we married, okay? Now we accept. Then when you born picking, we punado, we the guy name we na Muslim name. We know the guy there for the daddy this that no straight. Now name we the guy from the book.
So what's now some of the name them the typical local name where they can give like una first boy picking or first girl picking?
The first boy picking, we born him, either you give papa a name. If you girl picking, you give mama a name.
So what's in a local name there?
Local name you will call her Yebu or Isatu or Kalia. Yeah.
Plenty people can normally talk say salon fine, and then they make people where they invest in country can come and visit salon. What's not this finest way salon fine where people can normally talk about so?
What's not
the finest way salon gets? People can normally talk about so from una young time una be young to now. What's not the beauty of salon where you don't see where you will talk about?
Well, the now and first time a difference. You can be talking no more. First time, everything is fine. It's not hard. It's now.
So what's going to be you find out what way they send to the ministry we're responsible for culture business na salon?
Well, the culture because of the where the hardship in the American culture they go down. The first time it will be good. The culture is high, but now find difficulty because things don't hard. As me, what my also said, number one, me, I know the work. From when I left soldier, I know the work. So you see everything.
Yes. Finally, before you left, we go tell we as a local man, what's in the name of the country close them where local than you
Oh, Longona, the Longona. Oh, countryman, the way local man, the way Longona, yes.
You can see local man and still the wear.
Yeah. With the way Longo and with the dance, the local dance group, Longo.
So what's you that you find out what now we they send to local man them out there?
Well, all the local man they will listen. I want that culture back let we in the place and back, make we feel fine. In fact, the time we will be the beat Kondi, Kongoma, all that sister now, it don't go down. So you make it now with the only, mostly they make it the Daiboku. Because first time, all that thing they did, die no day. Because you don't think. But now we see that you make so. More way the only, now more, the life they go. You see? But that time, you did that time, we get Kongoma, we get Kondi, so we did dance. You did 1961. We together culture with the dance, with the beat condi, with the kongoma. So you know what things are. But now all that you don't do. So I want to make we let you grab back, let we start them. Make we know what you do. Because more ways you know you hold the door, the more you under. You see, and the life no one under. You see.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah, okay. Welcome.
Hello man, welcome to this interview. Do you and I tell me your name?
Marie Kanu.
Mommy Mary, you go tell me, what do you understand about salon culture? How una be they portray the culture of salon during your own time?
During my own time, we are small, we are in a village, we dey enjoy, where then they make bondo, where then dance I go dance with them. So we don't dance, then cook, we dey enjoy. So they feel fine.
Alright. You know, Salone, we get different tribes and beliefs where people can believe in. You know, you your own tribe where you belong to. Alright, it's Timini there. How Timini then they how then culture feel like?
Then they dance bondo, then they make porous society. But my own tongue, then they allow porous society for Didi. Only bondo, nine for Didi. Because to get the other tribe then Didi. So they're not allow that.
Alright. You go tell me, what are some of the name them where una can give una Timini picking them?
Sampa, Soko, Sampa, Soko.
So then name them they which one are the first speaking their name?
The first speaking the name. Naina, you know.
Alright, you go tell me a little bit about the beauty of Salone in general, where una be dey enjoy, where you talk say Salone fine, that you know that this they make people them they come in a Salone. What you go say about that fineness of Salone? Is still there?
Where then the dance bondo? The people they always man and they can't look. How then they dance, how then they enjoy. Now then what aside there, then they go look.
Where Timini Pikin they married, how the ceremony can salek?
Then they make calabash, then they make small rest, the needle, matter.
So finally,
Cola.
alright, finally, what you go tell me, what's in all the item that they for? You say that they put the calabash, then put cola, then put needle and thread. For somebody we don't know, what's in and stand for?
What in you know, they don't know. Now it's traditional. So now they make ceremony. So the people they were born them picking them.
So what's going to be your final word to people who they listen and watch you right now about culture?
The culture now so for do and back. Like how family them they do them. Make calabash, tie needle, make cola. You put money on top.
So when you attend marriage them presently at this age, you can see that they do that and they all?
Yes, I see that they do them.
Plenty thank you to you, man.
Yeah. Thank you too.
Hello, man. Welcome to this interview. Go tell me your name.
And I'm Awasise from Kalangba. So I want married, and my sister and I say wants me for married. And I said no. I said I'm not married it. They said no. Then I go to my stepmama. They say my stepmama I say wants me for married. Then my stepmama say well married to this Maya. So to this Maya. I said okay. I said no, but so I said you know my mama. So I'm married to her.
Alright, so you go tell they try for telling in other words that first them una they obey una people them more than talking that this man we want for you. But now what you they see with the girl picking them now where they how you they see what's not the difference?
Well, we don't send now into the shame now. But let me could pray God for men and change. Let them tell like how been there.
You young tribe where you belong to, where what's now una culture they wanna keep portray like una naming ceremony, you know, where person they married, what's what una can do?
Then keep make play no more. Keep play for we make small dance business.
Right, so now which tribe then they?
Local dance.
Alright, so what's in a local picking a name? Like you first girl picking or you boy picking where you can born?
Hey, I don't call the name again. I call back. I will call them back. Yeah. Well, Abu Sise, Mabinti Sise, Yatu Sise, Kama Sise.
Alright, so the Sise them now then they mainly for the local no more?
Yeah, no, then Boku.
So whose other son name the local then can get?
Local then can get then Kanu Sise, Kamara, Bangua, Toronka, Boku no Boku.
Alright. Finally, what's going to be your message to people who they listen and watch you about for continue for portray the culture of Salone?
Hey, we do so now.
Alright, plenty thank you to you.
Yes, we do so, yeah.
Hello to you, sir, and welcome to this interview. You go please tell me your name.
My name is Mr. Jules Deso.
Mr. Jula, you go please tell me what do you know about the culture of Salone?
Well, the culture of Salone, actually the traditional Salone, I know Botram anyway, because I know how traditional marriage they go on. I know about cultural affairs. Because I know see we museum of Salone where be say now they get more with history of Salone on our culture. I know about that all. I know many things actually.
You go please tell me, sir, the tribe where you belong to, how una can portray the culture of Salone?
Okay, well, the tribe when I belong to now Fula actually. The Fula culture gets plenty traditional Tiwoki acts per we program. We marriage program, we working married, we get now cultural business, then Fula cultural business, they dance. I mean, all the politics and they gone. So, actually, like that's normal and so on and so forth.
Alright, sir. You go tell me, when you talk about marriage, what are some of the food they want I can prepare for people, as special Fulaman food, when you talk that they go Fula married, the food one they cook for them?
Obviously, say, okay, mix na cow milk, for culture business. Then obviously, Fula they married, we must cook cow milk. Yes, with the cook na la feed back. When done a part of land, we can make them fry business with them plus as business. But actually, like the two main culture thing, and now cow milk, which now yes. Now cow milk, which now la feed business. Actually, yes, that's kingdom, yeah.
Plenty people can talk about the beauty of Salone, we can attract tourists and for Kona Salone. During your own time, from when you're young to now, you feel say that beauty is still there. And what's not the beauty where you feel say then they refer to?
Well, normally, the beauty of Salone, actually, because number one, I would say we get to museum, we get to beach, we get to beaches them, we beach. I mean, that's all they refer to the culture of Salone. That's more the time when tourists be they come, then time they where we they go watching at the beach, where we be young. I mean, they feel so good, but all that now don't look changed now. Actually, now we know you see tourists them, the beach not to look attractive anymore. You see, so past that they get for car on back. Actually, before we get to beauty of Salone back.
So what if you say the Ministry of Tourism need for improve on this beauty of Salone, as you say, even the beach they're not too attractive anymore? What if you say need for be done?
Number one, the beach. Therefore, pay great interest at the beach with the cultural affairs. Therefore, try to do that. You don't say first of get them dance troupe them, all them cultures, them cultural business, all we get for improve on that more. The ministry get for improve what all land they back more.
Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you too.
Hello, sir, and welcome to this interview. Go please tell me your name.
Mr. Ali Abubakar.
Alright. Mr. Abubakar, you go tell me a little bit, but what do you understand about Salone culture?
And what I understand about the married.
But generally, the culture of Salone.
I don't understand nothing about the culture.
But then you young tribe as a person, how una can portray Salone culture? As you say, now the marriage, now the naming ceremony, how una can go about that?
We gather, anybody we want married, we marry by Kalba side. If we don't get Kalba, at all, we know the married with king.
So what you can inside that calabash here now? Which tribe they talk about so?
Calabash, it will get cola, money, and don't show.
Alright. So now which tribe that name?
Ebi flour. What na musini?
Alright.
Ebi flour, ebi timini. What na musini way?
Alright.
All them not the same.
Alright. Now, what in the cola and the money they stand for?
That cola day. It stand for that married, who na the married. That cola day stand for sign. You don't use the man. You don't sign say that woman day na una day whatever. You back you the woman. You don't sign that cola day. Na make na the we don't marry that cola day. The printer middle. We don't printer middle. You the woman one, the man one. So that you not sign the cola. The woman they give the man they give the woman. And we don't sign. That money now for the neighbor there, all way then they Pandama ready. Obi now, family side now, daddy side, uncle side, all that money where they now they take. We do sell money. We do teladu to the side, father side, uncle side, imam side, all become imam the all the we Pandama ready. So that money na darande e dey for the cola na for the sign.
So up till date you dey see that still dey happen.
From the money wey I don born, wey I born, till today to this stadium, it dey be.
So what thing go be final word to people they listen and watch you about the culture of Salone, especially by the different tribes they waiting for continue for portray.
I no get you.
What thing go be final word they send to people they listen and watch you about may they continue for do the same way they do when at the culture where they sabi.
Now the goodness, yes. Now the goodness they do, yes.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah.
Viewers, when I have done listen to different elders them of different tribes, when they don't talk how their own tribe can portray the culture where they believe stay in Indian as Salone. Some tribe talk about how they can do the naming ceremony, the marriage ceremonies, and whose name they can give to them first speaking them way they can born. Them also talk concerning the beauty where they believe say Salone gets and the things the way they see they happen before, but they know they see they happen again. Maybe the program comes to you today. My name is Kona Sesay. Until we meet again to another edition of Talk to the Camera, I say tata.